Good morning. Today is December 5th and today's refinishing project is located in Orinda, California. Alright, so today in Orinda we're going to be refinishing this master bathroom bathtub here. The customer already replaced the surround in here with some nice new marble tile. They also did the floor. Nice tile on the floor here. And they decided to keep the bathtub. So we're going to be refinishing this bathtub today. This will be a full day job, and we're going to refinish it in a medium gloss white color for them, as well as these two accent little tiles that they need refinished. We're going to coat those as well. And the tub is in really good condition. It's just an outdated color, as you can see, like a medium brown sort of color here. And refinishing it in a white will make a huge difference in the overall appearance of this bathroom area here. Alright, so this is the job for today, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we're all done with the bathtub here in Orinda, California. Let's take a closer look at it. So before it was a kind of a brown color before. This bathtub took probably around 7 or 8 hours to fully prep and refinish. It was in pretty good condition, but it's bigger than a standard size bathtub, so it definitely takes longer to do these. Turned out really nice and shiny. And it looks much better against this marble tile that they have here. Let's get this shot over here. Okay, so there you go, bathtub in Orinda, California. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.